Hi, welcome back to Builderall Design Lab. I'm Sarah, and in this video, we're going to be creating the hero image for Milora, our bee-powered skincare brand. Let's dive right in. The hero section for me is where the page makes it or fails, because this is the moment where someone decides how they feel about your brand. This is their first interaction with your website. It sets the tone, the emotion, and the level of trust. For this, I want a strong concept that is memorable, something that would make people come back. While searching for inspiration, I remembered a photographer I came across in 2015 called Blake Little. He coated his models in honey as part of a photography series called Preservation. That idea kind of stayed with me for its originality and abstract thinking. I wanted to adapt that into something memorable for our page, where honey is used as a visual metaphor for preserving skin glow. I head into Adobe Firefly, and while prompting, I focus on achieving calm expressions, controlled honey flows, and negative space on the side of the model so our typography could sit comfortably. Negative space here is very important because it allows our message to breathe. I tried several visual models like Google's Nano Banana, but I found that Adobe's model was more refined in its outputs and had more built-in settings that helped create the imagery precisely. This gave me more control over lighting, composition, and overall mood. After shortlisting my outputs, I decide which image works best with my brand. While the darker image is striking and more dramatic, it introduces a heavier visual contrast and a stronger emotional intensity. That felt too dominant for the design direction we decided on, where softness mattered more than impact. So I decide on this image where the light is softer and the image invokes more calmness. It feels balanced and aligned with how I want the brand to be perceived. Now it's time to continue the build. I add in my info and buttons, and my hero section is complete. It feels calm and confident, exactly what I want. In the next video, we'll move into the about and ingredients sections, where we start building trust with our audience. I've also prepared this page for you as a downloadable Builderall template that you can add into your Builderall account. Let me know what you think of the design, and I'll see you in the next Design Lab video.